Good morning. Good morning. It's Monday. Today is the 24th. So, good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. It is June 24th. I've been on keto week. And before I jump into giving y'all this weekly update, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification. Notification, gang, gang, gang. Notification, gang, gang, gang. Turn on your post notification so you'll be notified. So, excuse me, y'all. I've been on keto for a week. I've been seeing all y'all advice and all that. I have not gotten to notating. Uh, Excuse me, I have not gotten to responding to all y'all notes today. I need to hurry up and give me some Gatorade because keto flu is officially on. I'm into ketosis now. And we're going to jump on this scale and see how much weight I done lost in this week. Y'all don't come for me. My feet might look a little rusty. But I did get a new scale for my battery. And it say 256.2.
So y'all, this vlog is going to be a combination of various days. Y'all just saw me get on the scale. I'm ready to show y'all on July 1st. Like, my intentions was to come to y'all and vlog every day. But it just didn't happen like this. So this is going to be a combination of multiple days. But yeah, y'all, keto is working. Intermittent fasting is working. And yes, I'm so happy with my results.
Good morning, y'all. It is July 1st. And today, I want y'all to see my weight. I got a new battery in this scale. Let's see what it says. 254 exactly, y'all. I was stuck on 254.4 forever. But baby, 254 it is.
So this is breakfast, y'all, and I only eat eggs if they got a lot of cheese. I got sausage, bacon, and these keto waffles I made, and they are bomb, okay? Bomb. So hey y'all, that breakfast I had was bomb.com.org.net.edu. So far how I'm feeling today, I do have a headache. My body is like, girl, where the carbs at? And I'm like, body, you cutting carbs right now. So I am on lunch, but what I typically do is eat my lunch at my desk. So I had the breakfast at about 7:30, and then an hour ago I kind of felt like I needed a snack, so I had ate some pepperoni. So I'm gonna eat when I go back to my desk. But right now I'm down in the cafeteria area getting ready to respond to y'all comments and get some things caught up on my fan page, my Instagram. Like, y'all, when I tell y'all I've been out of it, I haven't been commenting or none of that. So that's what I'm getting ready to do right now. But I will check back with y'all. So y'all. Today. I have been getting the urge to snack less. Sorry, y'all, something in my eye. My allergies bothering me. I've been getting the urge to snack less. I know y'all like, girl, why you in the bed? What did you eat for dinner? Well, I ate a chicken burger and I fried it in the skillet with some clarified butter. And then it's some of my eye, y'all. And then I cooked some mushrooms, topped that on the burger, and then I put some pepper jack cheese. Now, y'all, I know I ain't supposed to eat carbs, but I did not have that many carbs today. Well, I kind of did what I kind of went over. But have y'all seen those little thin buns? They like bread, hamburger buns, but they 100 calories. Had about 16 carbs. Now, I know I shouldn't have ate it, but I wanted me a turkey burger with a little bit of bread. And when I say I melted so much of that clarified butter on there, so it was so much fat on there. But it was so good, and I ate that with some celery sticks And I still had some buffalo chicken dip, so I ate that. But that was good. Then I ate that, and now I'm just like laying down. And for once, Bella ain't barking at me. Like, we've been having some crazy weather, so my sinuses are truly bothering me. But other than that, I'm very proud of myself for sticking with keto. At the rate I'm going, I weigh myself every day, and I haven't given y'all an update on that. I'm losing like a pound a day. So this is day, I think this is I'm trying to remember, like, my video's out of order anyway. So this is the 19th. So I started on the 17th, and I'm already down like 2 pounds. So I'm happy about that. The weight is starting to fall off. I don't care if it's water weight, pootie tang, who weight. I told y'all it's weight. So, um, how I'm feeling this time, as far as how I'm feeling, I'm real irritable. I've been having headaches, but I'm trying to make sure I stay hydrated. And I saw some of y'all comments. I have been seeing y'all comments. Constance girl, I see what you're saying about the certain kinds of things that got a certain type of ingredient, something that start with an M. I'm gonna really have to make sure I start checking the ingredients. I saw you all said make sure my electrolytes. I'm keeping a lot of electrolytes, so I'm gonna have to probably get some Gatorade or some Powerade or something like that. Um, oh, my eyes itching so bad, yeah. But other than that, I am very, very, very proud of myself for sticking to it this time. And my plan is to be strict keto, but sometimes or some days I might fall in the line of dirty or lazy, but I'm still making sure that I just don't like fall off the keto wagon to say completely. Like I said, I had that little bread that was just that one time. Um, I had that little bread, and it was pretty good. Like, me and my mama, we love ground chicken. Like, if you haven't, y'all, I'm tired of holding this phone. I should have my tripod. If you haven't had ground chicken, get you some ground chicken. You season it. Oh, my eyes itching, y'all. This weather is really. Get you some ground chicken. Oh, you can either bake your stuff in the oven or fry it. You won't even be able to tell, like, excuse me, that I'm on my phone. See how my eyes turning red because I'm scratching it. You won't even, like, it's so good. Like, we or ground chicken. I will eat ground chicken over a regular hamburger any day. But I'm making better food choices, like eating decisions. I'm not a snacker, but as I told you, I work in the call center, and we sit and talk on the phone, talk with each other all day. So when you sit like that, and then I'm not making no excuse. Granted, I could have had some healthy snacks, but when you sit like that, you just get the urge to want to snack. But I am very, very, very proud of myself for making better decisions, and I appreciate all y'all positive and encouraging comments. Like, we are all human, as I always say in all my videos. So, by me gaining weight, we are human. And the fact that I'm holding myself accountable, trying to lose my weight, and y'all are being like super de duper supportive. Like, I've been depressed about this whole thing, and I'm not ashamed of my body or anything, but I'm just sitting here thinking, like, girl, like, how did you gain that weight like so fast? That's what I'm sitting up here kind of thinking about, and it's kind of reflecting like, dang. So when I tell y'all, y'all are the best, like, Y'all give me nothing but support and encouraging words, and I love each and every one of y'all for that. Shout out to everybody that's on like a weight loss journey. Never give up. It's so many people I know that always bash people, and that's kind of why I truly sometimes don't like to conversate with people and tell them I'm losing weight on a weight loss journey, because the minute they see you doing something or eating something that you're not supposed to, oh, I thought you said you was on a diet. Let me tell you something, okay? I tell people this every day. If you come in here see me 3 days straight eating a salad, and I come in here today and I'm eating a donut, guess what? I could do that. You know why? Because that's my business. Like, that's how I feel about the whole thing. And I'm not throwing none of my coworkers or bashing none of them. But, like, it's a few of them. And we cool and we laugh and talk every day because that's my work family. But I can't stress this enough. If you see me doing something and you be like, oh, this what you said you weren't going to do, please tell my damn business, because you know why that's my business. Like, simple as that. So yeah, y'all. I am super proud of myself again. Shout out to everyone that's on the weight loss journey. I appreciate all y'all advice y'all been giving me, because my birthday is coming up. I got my trip in November, and simple as that. Like, I'm gonna get myself together, lose this weight, 1 day a pound, 1 pound at a time. And I did set a goal for losing like 60 pounds by November. If it does not happen, as close as I can get to it by my goal, and then I'm just gonna still continue to lose weight. That's just a goal I set. We gotta set goals. Like, setting goals, hold yourself accountable to want to keep going, to keep pushing. Okay. So I'm getting ready to cut on my TV, uh, watch some 600 Pound Life, because Dr. Nazardin be speaking to me and everybody. Y'all, I printed out, somebody made a meme of the man, Dr. Nazardin from Dr. Now from 600 Pound Life, and it said you could have lost 30 pounds this month. So I printed it out and I put it on my desk. So every time I want to eat something, it's right in my view. I look at that and I be like, dang, he talking directly to me. So I'm about to watch this show. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. And as always, don't give up. Keep pushing. I love y'all. Again, subscribe if you have not. Turn on them notifications. Join the Nikki Squad. Join the family. Let's stay fit. Let's get active. Let's lose this weight. And I love y'all, and I'll talk to y'all later.